I'm going to go over the steps on how to replace the seal on a Mansfield flush valve. I'm replacing the handle to this toilet, so I thought it would be a good time to replace the seal. I shut off the water coming up to the tank, and with a Mansfield style, you're either going to have the handle where the arm goes through this loop in the tower on the flush valve, or there'll be a chain connected to the bottom of the tower on the flush valve. The water's off, so I'm going to remove the hose from the top of the flush valve, and I'm going to turn this cap counterclockwise, and now we can pull the tower completely off. The seal is on the bottom of the flush valve, and I'm just going to pull it off. To put the new seal in, make sure it goes into the top groove of the flush valve. Especially on some of the older styles, there's 2 grooves, and it needs to go into the top groove. And then work all the way around to make sure it's not folded. It has to sit perfectly flat. Make sure there's not a buildup of minerals on the bottom of the tower, and you can wipe it off with some white vinegar or CLR. Now you can replace the tower on top and replace the cap, turn it clockwise. Now replace the hose and turn the water back on.